Looking for a vacuum cleaner that tackles pet hair, transitions seamlessly between surfaces, and fights allergens? The BISSELL SurfaceSense Pet Upright Vacuum Model 28179 might just be your new cleaning companion. This review delves into its features, performance, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your pet-filled home. Smart cleaning for busy homes. The BISSELL SurfaceSense boasts a feature unique among many vacuums: SurfaceSense Technology. This intelligent system automatically detects the floor type you're cleaning, whether it's carpet or hard floor. It then adjusts the brush roll speed accordingly, ensuring optimal cleaning performance. No more fiddling with settings or worrying about damaging delicate hardwood with a powerful carpet setting. Tangle-Free, multi-surface bliss. Say goodbye to the frustration of tangled hair and debris. The BISSELL SurfaceSense features a first-of-its-kind tangle-free, multi-surface brush roll. This innovative design incorporates two types of bristles: stiff bristles for deep cleaning carpets and softer bristles for gently picking up dust and debris from hard floors. This eliminates the need to swap brush rolls for different surfaces, saving you time and effort. Conquering pet messes. Pet owners will appreciate BISSELL SurfaceSense's dedication to pet-related cleaning woes. The powerful suction tackles pet hair, dander, and dirt embedded in carpets and upholstery. No more wrestling with pesky fur tumbleweeds. This vacuum is designed to handle the consequences of your furry friend's presence. Breathing easier with allergies. The SMARTSEAL Allergen System is a welcome feature for allergy sufferers. It traps and locks away dust and allergens within the vacuum, preventing them from recirculating back into the air you breathe. This can significantly improve indoor air quality, especially beneficial for those with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. Convenience features you'll appreciate. Beyond its core cleaning power, the BISSELL SurfaceSense offers several user-friendly features that enhance the cleaning experience. The one-touch, easy empty dirt tank allows for mess-free disposal of debris. LED headlights illuminate dust and pet hair hiding in dark corners and under furniture, ensuring a thorough clean. The quick-release extension wand detaches easily, allowing you to tackle hard-to-reach areas like stairs and furniture. Additionally, specialized pet tools, though not explicitly mentioned in the description, these might include crevice tools or upholstery attachments, might be included for targeted cleaning of pet messes. Things to consider. Before hitting the buy button, there are a few things to keep in mind. Maneuverability. User reviews might vary on maneuverability. Some might find the upright design a bit bulky, especially compared to lighter models. If tight spaces or limited mobility are a concern, consider researching the vacuum's weight and maneuverability in user reviews. Noise level. While not necessarily the loudest vacuum on the market, the BISSELL SurfaceSense isn't whisper quiet either. If noise sensitivity is a major concern, research decibel levels before purchasing. Limited information on pet tools. The provided description doesn't explicitly detail the included pet tools. While the vacuum boasts powerful pet cleaning, researching the specific attachments included might be necessary to determine if they address your specific pet hair challenges. Overall impression. Despite these minor considerations, the BISSELL SurfaceSense Pet Upright Vacuum offers a compelling package for pet owners and allergy sufferers. The automatic floor type adjustment, tangle-free brush roll, and strong suction make cleaning carpets and hard floors effortless. The allergen system provides peace of mind for those with allergies, while the LED headlights and user-friendly features enhance the overall cleaning experience. So, is the BISSELL SurfaceSense the right vacuum for you? If you have pets, struggle with allergies, and value a versatile and convenient vacuum cleaner, then this model is worth considering. However, if maneuverability is a top priority or noise level is a major concern, you might want to explore some lighter or quieter options. It's also recommended to research the specific pet tools included to ensure they match your pet hair cleaning needs. Ultimately, the BISSELL SurfaceSense offers a powerful cleaning solution for busy homes with pets, leaving your floors and surfaces spotless and your allergies at bay. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.